I just wanted to make a quick video today about XRP and FedNow, what we know, okay? As far as I know right now, and all the articles that I've read, it is not in the United States that they are using XRP to utilize this service with the Federal Reserve, and it bypasses Venmo and PayPal. However, I can tell you that SWIFT is going to change real swift. So I wanted to just show you this in Reddit. And I know everyone is excited about FedNow, but I am from Malaysia. Here we have a similar service called Do It Now. Do It is money, and it utilizes real-time payments by TrainGlow, Ripple's partner. In Malaysia, we can transfer money within banks, pay bills, and make payments using a QR instantly. Yes, I have done this. Over there using Apple Pay. This is like another version, the current version of that, and it's run by TrainGlow, Ripple's partner. So, okay, anyway, earlier this year we can do cross-border QR payments using Do It Now in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and Indo. Okay, so it's in a few places in Asia. So let's hope FedNow can utilize XRP and hope there will be a price action, because after years of Do It Now, there is not much movement, maybe because our economy is not that big when compared to the U.S. Oh, fact. But at least we know that Ripple's technology works seamlessly here. Good luck, everyone. Keep hodling. Yep. So I'm going to say that what happens is that when they flip the switch and everyone's all up in arms about the FedNow, people have been asking me, what do I think of FedNow? And here's what I'm just going to tell you. Eventually, SWIFT will get taken over and be in use with XRP. Now, what they'll call that back-end service, they may have a different name for it. I don't know. Maybe they don't want everyone to know what that bridge currency is that they're going to use, which would be XRP. Does it matter? No, it really doesn't. But we do know that we're getting out of the archaic SWIFT system fairly soon. Based on a few things that I've just been reading and listening to lately, I think it might be time, if you're keeping money in the bank, hoping the FDIC insures you for whatever you keep in a bank, might not be the best program. You might even be better off with, keeping it in a brokerage firm for stocks, just elsewhere. If you have lots of money in a bank, take some of it and put it elsewhere. That's all I'm saying. I mean, you know what? This is not financial advice. I simply share what I research and do on the daily. And what I'm lately doing is just socking away some XRP, XLM, XDC, and actually, I was chatting with a client, and I've always wanted to get into quant. And XDC and quant are, they're tough for me because I like to keep my crypto digital assets on my ledger. I like to keep them offline. XDC is not supported. And I did a video about the XinFin wallet, XINFIN wallet, which I mentioned. I only use two other wallets, Trust Wallet and MetaMask, for doing a few different types of transactions, and I haven't even used those lately. I mostly use Exodus.io and my ledger, and all the links for everything I'm talking about is in the description box below. However, if you're going to use XinFin wallet, wasn't a client, it was just somebody that's been watching my video. So, if that's you, okay, hi. I'm not in charge of XinFin wallet, and so maybe it was your wording, but I don't have any inroads with any of these wallets, which is why I keep everything offline. I know how to work with their system sometimes if they have a good support network. And I've used that support network, which is why I make videos about UPHOLD and things that I know about, because UPHOLD, I've had several things occur there. Lost my phone, just different things. That my 2FA security didn't work. It went very circular in terms of emails. I know how frustrating this can be. So that's why I started making videos for you, to help you, do transactions, not get so frustrated, and know that, your digital assets are still sitting somewhere. Okay. So because when I lost my phone, it took probably 3.5 weeks to get everything from all my exchanges. And at that time I was keeping some digital assets on those exchanges and in my ledger and in an online wallet. So everything just was out in the, etherware, the interwebs, right? So, I mean, it freaked me out for the first week. And then after that, I was like, you know what will be, will be. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm sure it's there. All the support tickets that came back to me with an answer said, we will sort this out. You can be secure that your cryptocurrency is fine. So, and I believe that, and that's exactly how it worked out. I'm not saying it works out that way all the time. I think this person and a few other people who have texted me lately, if you all are sending crypto, I don't care whether it's XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or anything else, to a total stranger in the hopes of doing some, I don't know, investing with them, they're trading it for you or whatever it is, do research on the brokerage firm that they use. Get your own direct account with that brokerage. This just makes sense. Because if somebody's promising amazing returns, and this happened to me once and I caught it right before I fell for it for the third time, give us 500 and, in crypto, of course. So it was like $500 in, I don't know, Bitcoin or Ethereum. I can't remember. This was several years ago. And I did that and I got back 1,000 in 10 days. And then, okay, do 2,000 and we'll return 5,000 in 10 days. And I did that. And I got it both times. And then they asked for 10,000. And I'm talking about US dollars in cryptocurrency. And I just went, you know what? How could they possibly give me back 25,000 in 10 days? I mean, they did it the first 2 times and maybe I got lucky, but I thought, let me do some research on this company. I started researching. I went on different Facebook pages, and as it turns out, a lot of people got burnt on the third or fourth transaction. And I just went, you know what? I'm not going to do it. So be careful. And I see it in my comment section all the time. I wasn't doing anything worth trading until I met Mrs. or Mr. So-and-so on Telegram, blah, 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 and I started following them. Always do your own research. Where is that brokerage firm? Who is Mr. or Mrs. whoever it is? You find out details before you go ahead and send out crypto, because once it's out of your account, it's gone, okay? So I hate to sound so harsh about that, but once it's out, it's gone. So just make sure that you know what you're doing when you do those kinds of things, okay? So anyway, I just wanted to wrap it right there. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up on FedNow and what's happening in the background there. And interesting, there's some more stuff down here about do it now, but I'm sure all of this is going to be transacting on a bridge currency. You take a guess which one I'm talking about, okay? So love you all. Thanks for being with me. Ciao for now.